Elon Musk just rolled out Grok 3, claiming it's the smartest AI around right now. You've probably seen this popping up online. I got curious about whether it could really deliver, so I decided to test it out myself. After playing with it a bit, I'm honestly impressed. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I used Grok 3 to set up a way to make steady money with affiliate marketing, focusing on the YouTube automation niche. By the way, I noticed from my comments that a lot of people have different problems and questions when it comes to AI automation that I might not be able to cover fully in my videos. So I made this community where I personally guide you step by step to earning your first $1,000 online with AI. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. If you're serious about making your first $1,000 online, this is your opportunity. Click the first link in the description and join AI Income Friends today for instant access to everything. Step 1. Get comfortable with Grok. First, you need to figure out how to use Grok 3. Go to the XAI website. That's Musk's company behind this AI. Once you're there, click on Try Now. Now, you'll end up on a chat screen where you can start typing to the AI. Sign up for an account with your Gmail or X account or these other options. There's no complicated sign up or anything you have to pay for. It's ready to go. Now, you'll see a blank box, kind of like when you're texting someone, but it's Grok 3 on the other end waiting to reply. So, what's Grok 3 all about? It's an AI tool XAI built to help people, and Musk says it's a step ahead of others like ChatGPT or Claude. These other AI tools tend to give safe, neutral answers, but Grok 3 has more of its own take. It can grab fresh info from the web right when you ask, so it's not stuck with outdated information, and it's okay with tasks other AI tools might pass on. It can write long articles, make pictures if you describe them, and even help with video ideas. I tested it by typing, "Generate a realistic image of a lady in her mid-20s sunbathing on a beach with a cocktail in her hand." Grok came back with a description that looks pretty damn impressive to me. Why does this matter? Well, Grok 3 isn't just for fun. It's something you can use to get real tasks done. For us, that's creating content and figuring out how to push affiliate products. Think of it like a friend who's great at coming up with ideas and doesn't mind doing the boring parts. When you're starting, spend a little time messing around with it. Try asking it random questions or simple tasks, like write me a short sad story or tell me about YouTube trends, to get a feel for how it responds. The more you use it, the better you'll get at asking for exactly what you need. Once you're good with it, we can move on to finding something to promote. Step 2. Find some solid affiliate programs. Before we make anything, we need something to talk about. Affiliate marketing is where you get a special link, and when people buy through it, you get a cut of the money. But not all affiliate programs are worth it. Some pay you almost nothing, like a couple of bucks, and others are for things nobody's buying. Normally, you'd have to dig through websites, read what people say, and compare payouts, which can take forever. Grok 3 makes this way easier by finding options for you based on what's out there right now. I wanted to see how it worked, so I typed, "List 20 affiliate programs for AI video tools that fit with YouTube Shorts and tell me what they pay." Grok came back quickly with a bunch of choices, names, commission rates, and links to check out. One that caught my eye was StoryShort. This is a tool that makes short videos for you, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. I checked their affiliate page and saw they give you 30% of what someone pays every month they stick around. Here's what that looks like. If someone signs up with your link and pays $50 a month, you get $15 each month they keep it. Get 10 people to join, and that's $150 a month without doing more. If you hit 50 signups, you're at $750 monthly. Push it to 100, and it's $1,500 coming in every month from that one link. That's why this is so good. The money keeps adding up over time. It's not just a one-time thing. YouTube Shorts are huge right now. People watch them like crazy, And creators are also always looking for tools to make videos faster. StoryShort fits that perfectly. Grok 3, finding this in seconds, saved me hours of searching. Now, I just signed up for the affiliate program and grabbed my affiliate link. When you're picking an affiliate program like this in your niche, think about a few things. Look for decent payouts. 30% is great, but even 20% can work if the price of the product is high. Check if it's recurring, like StoryShort, since that's where the real money builds. Also, make sure it's something people actually want. Tools for YouTube Shorts are hot because the platform's growing fast. You can ask Grok to narrow it down more. For example, you can say, only show programs with recurring commissions over 25% to get exactly what you're after. Once you've got a good affiliate program and you've joined, it's time to create something to spread the word. Step 3. Build content with Grok 3. Content is how you get people to see your affiliate link. Without it, they don't know what you're offering or why they'd care. A blog post is one way to do this. It's just an article you write and put online. Blog posts work great because they let you explain things in detail, answer questions people might have, and build trust. They can also stick around for a long time, bringing in readers months or even years later if people keep finding them through searches or links. Writing blog posts from scratch every time can be a pain, especially if you're not big on writing, but Grok 3 can handle most of it if you tell it what you want. The trick is being clear. If you just say, write about StoryShort, you'll get something short and boring that doesn't pull anyone in. You need to spell out what you're looking for. Here's what I asked for. Write a 2,000-word blog post reviewing StoryShort AI. Talk about its main features, like how easy it is to use, what the videos look like when they're finished, and how you can change things to fit your style. Add some tips for people new to it, like picking templates or tweaking details. I want to point people to my affiliate link, but don't make it obvious. Just slide it in naturally. Use simple words and make it sound like we're talking. I sent that, and Grok got going. The post it wrote was really good, but it wasn't perfect. Some parts were a little plain, and it used a couple of lines that felt too cliché and cheesy. So, I told Grok, rewrite it without those cheesy phrases. Add more specifics like types of videos StoryShort does well, maybe tech reviews or travel clips. The new version was spot on. It still sounded like me chatting with a friend, and the link fit in without pushing too hard. So why does a blog post help? It's a way to get traffic, people coming to see what you've got. If it's helpful or interesting, they stick around, and some might click your link. Here are some tips for writing good prompts. Be specific about the length, tone, and your goals, and don't be afraid to tweak it if the first try is off. This post is our base, but we need to get it out there. Step 4, put your article on Medium. Next, it's time to post that blog post on Medium. Medium's a free site where anyone can share articles, and it gets millions of readers every month looking for info or stories. You don't need a bunch of followers to get seen. The site's setup pushes decent content to more and more people. That's why it's a smart place to start. Here's how it works. Go to Medium and sign in. If you don't have an account, it's quick to set up with an email. Once you're in, look for a Write or New Story button, usually near the top. Click it, and you'll get an empty editor. Copy the blog post Grok made and paste it in. Spend a few minutes fixing it up. Add headings like what StoryShort does or tips for newbies so it's not one big block of text. Maybe bold a key point or two, like a feature that stands out to catch the eye. Where StoryShort's mentioned, link it to your affiliate URL. Don't overdo it. 2 or 3 links are plenty. Put them where they feel natural, like after a feature you like or at the end. Medium's clean look and good reputation make people trust what's there, so they're more likely to click on your affiliate link. Now, before you hit publish, pick a title that grabs attention, like How StoryShort AI Made My YouTube Shorts Way Better. Add tags like YouTube Shorts, AI Tools, or Video Tips so people can find it, then click Publish. Once it's live, readers can stumble across it, and every click's a chance at some money. Here's a tip. Check what's popular on Medium for YouTube-related content and tweak your posts to fit. like focusing on easy video tools, if that's trending. That's our first move, but to really get our affiliate link out there, we need a video. Step 5. Turn your post into a video. Short videos are taking over. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, they're everywhere, and people watch them non-stop. We're going to take that blog post and make a 60-second video that grabs people's attention and points them to our link. Videos work for traffic because they're quick and catchy. Someone can scroll past, stop for a minute, and still get the point. They're also shareable, so if it's good, it can spread fast. Start with a script. I went back to Grok and said, turn the StoryShort review into a 60-second video script. Keep it sharp and a little bold, but don't make it sound like an ad, just clear and real. Grok gave me this response. It's short, has some punch, and doesn't overdo it. I didn't want to be on camera, so I made an avatar. I asked Grok, generate images of a young casual guy with a YouTuber vibe, maybe a graphic tee and messy hair, which will be an avatar for me to animate. I really liked this one, so I went ahead and downloaded it. To animate it, I used APOB AI. I logged in, went to train a new model, then image to video. I uploaded the image I got from Grok, set it to high quality, and got a clip of it talking. For sound, I went to 11 Labs. I pasted the short script into their text-to-speech tool, chose a laid-back male voice with a little grit, and hit generate. It sounded natural, not like a robot. I saved the audio. For more visuals, I used Auto AE, which has templates you can change. I picked one, customized it, added some text, and then downloaded the clip. To put everything together, I used CapCut. I started a new project, set it to 9:16 for vertical video, and brought in the avatar clip, voiceover, and animations. I lined them up. Avatar first, voice synced, animations popping in for key parts. To keep people watching, I added captions with auto captions, and it wrote out the audio. I picked a bold font with a slight bounce, making sure it stood out. I watched it to check it flowed, then exported at 1080 pixels. Then I posted it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. In the description or bio, wherever it worked, I added my link. On YouTube, I pinned a comment with it. Posting in multiple spots means more eyes on it. Here are some tips for the videos. Keep it fast-paced but clear, use bright visuals, and test a few versions, like changing the music, to see what sticks. If it catches on, it can drive way more traffic than a blog alone. This setup uses Grok 3 and some tools to do the hardest parts of the process. Grok writes the content, scripts, and helps you come up with ideas so that you can focus on just getting your affiliate link out there to as many people as possible. What do you think of Grok 3? Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.